Good morning, YouTube. Hey everybody, this is Rockhead from Virginia Rockhead. I've got Hannah with me here today, and we're at our favorite beautiful creek here in Fairfax County, Virginia. I just walked this rock bar up and back. We're headed in that direction. I've hit this rock bar so many times, but you always find some new stuff. So we're gonna do a quick little check here. I got to do a quick video. I'm in the process of moving. There is a million things that I should be doing other than rock hounding, but got to take a break and have some fun and connect with your YouTube friends. So found some blue quartz. This is from what I understand, this is blue quartz and feldspar. This is a rock that I just found. Hopefully I can get the colors in there for you guys. Real colorful rock here. Not sure what that is. I have been posting to my local Northern Virginia rock hounds, and they've been helpful. I find some of this stuff. Oh, here's something that's interesting. You can see the red, a little bit of yellow, and that's looking like jasper. Here's something that I find often here, this red stuff, and it's always got this white veins running through it. I'm told that is jasper, but I'm not 100% sure that is 100% jasper, but we'll keep that. Here's an interesting rock that I found, similar to the last one, only this one's got some cool yellow in it too. So nice pretty red rock with the yellow in there, and the white that's always mixed in with that color red. Anyway, that's the finds from this rock bar. We're headed up there. We're gonna go to another rock bar that we've been to before, but only once before, and I had to hit it pretty briefly. So stick around and we'll go check out the next rock bar. It's about a 20-minute hike from here. So as usual, I am not to my destination yet, but I have already collected a pocket full of rocks. This is where I am. Absolutely gorgeous. Those woods are so thick that they are very hard to walk through. So real quick pocket dump here. Found this one. It's got a lot going on. That's kind of a purplish color, and I thought this would be a good rock for a saw video. I have a lot of good rocks for a saw video, so one of those will be coming soon. This is, come on rock, it's green. I don't know what this is. Actually, I just found it when I bent down to do this pocket dump. Here's some really nice red jasper. Of course, the rock is huge, way too big to go in a tumbler, but I'll keep it. Thomas there acting real funny. And there's this one. It's got some nice red in it. This one's got some nice colors in it. And one more, this dark, really waxy feeling one. I'm not sure if this is chalcedony or what, but pretty cool. Okay, that's it for this pocket dump. We will see you soon. So here's Katana doing a creek crossing. Here is the bar that we have been trying to get to. I just picked up this rock. Those of you who have seen my videos know that I find this. It looks like it's painted red and yellow. Let's see if we can get it wet. So, like I said, this is it. There will be no wildlife in my video because of that creature right there. My friend Nick from City Rock Hounding. A real nice part of his videos are the wildlife. I wish I could add that, but I choose to bring Katana. So let's just walk this. Whoa. Walk down to the water here. I've already got a pocket dump set up. Do a quick little pocket dump here. This thing here, I don't know if you can see, I'm thinking maybe petrified wood. Maybe that's wishful thinking. Blue quartz with feldspar. Here's a nice piece of petrified wood. Not much color, but it's a nice piece. This is what I call carnelian. Find a lot of that around here. Get rid of that. This piece, I think this is just a regular old chert rock, but it's got some, I guess that's just staining on it. So we'll get rid of that. This piece I found, at first I thought it was petrified wood with some real cool color in it, but I don't think it is. I think it's just quartz with a little color in it. Let me know what you think. Petrified wood or no? More blue quartz. Here's a nice size little blue quartz. Good size for the tumbler. I like finding those. This is what I believe to be a piece of granite. I don't know if you can see the color in there. It's got some good color, but granite doesn't tumble well. This rock kind of has a purplish hue to it, but no. Oh, here's another one of those, looks like it's spray painted yellow and red rocks. This is just a good little tumbler. Carnelian, not too fractured up. And this is a big old rock of quartz and green something. This might be a good tumbling rock, I'm not sure. Okay, so that wraps it up for this pocket dump. Hopefully we'll just have one more and we'll be done. Okay, I lied. This isn't going to be the last one. I just found some cool stuff. Some more blue quartz. This is real nice color, light blue, pretty solid, not real splotchy like it sometimes is. Just more of the same. Here's some of this purple rock I mentioned earlier. I don't know if you guys can hear that woodpecker in the background. I tried to get him on video, but I couldn't do it. And this rock right here is the same type as this one, but it's really big. This is the size of 2 softballs, so I will not be carrying that out of there. But it is a really cool rock. Okay, only one more pocket dump, I promise. Okay guys, sorry about the helicopter noise. Fort Belvoir is conducting some kind of a helicopter drill, practice, whatever. That bridge I just came under, that's a new landmark. That was the one I was trying to reach in my last rock hounding video. So we've come past that, and now that is all uncharted territory. So we'll be hitting that next. If you like the video, folks, give it a thumbs up. Just here's the last pocket dump, as promised. So I don't know if you can see the purple in that. Probably right there. It's hard to see. Some jasper. More jasper. Here is a banded something or another. Here is another banded something or another. Good news though, speaking of banded something or another's, my local rock hounding Facebook page, Virginia Rock Hounding, is offering a class that I am going to try to get signed up for. They call it Rock Hounding 101. And they'll teach you a bunch about rock hounding. So hopefully I'll get involved in that and learn some stuff. Maybe I'll be able to bring you with me. Thanks for watching, folks.